Good morning, people. What's up? Good morning. How's it going? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Hopefully, everybody's doing all right. This is not financial advice. Here, what I'm doing, I'm gonna switch the camera to the stock market screen and we will see what the flipping hell is going on in the stock market, or at least what was going on in the stock market. We'll see what is up over there, kind of sort of halfway, at least a little bit, just whatever we could see from there. Okay, gotta make sure it works a little bit. Maybe check out some stuff there, see what's going on a little bit. Buenas tardes, amigo. Hey, buenas tardes, ¿cómo estás? SP Yuri 3697, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, amigo? Estoy haciendo trading aquí como loco. Just a little bit of trading, a little bit of seeing what's going on in the market. Let me see. I'm gonna check BITC, Bitcoin. See how that one's doing. So that one's still holding the 95K ish and a half. So yeah, I'm doing kind of sort of halfway. Okay, so that's good. That's good. That's good. What's up, Lance Briefcase? What's up, man? Missed you last night. I just finished my worst week ever. Oh, but still good. Oh, sorry to hear that there, Lance Briefcase. That sucks. I kind of messed up a little bit too on the what do you call it, on the take profit trader, because I was doing good. I was like 600 over, like I had like 56,000 or whatnot. So I accidentally, because of that one night, I was trading like crazy. So I fell asleep and I woke up kind of late. Like I was like literally like a minute late closing my contract, and it ran into the 2 hour time zone, where like market close, and kind of messed up the account. So I did have to what do you call it, get another one. I had to, what do you call that, like uh I'm not sure what you call it, but I had to get another one, like so like yeah, that happened. So the other one I traded with the other one, so I'm up a little bit. So this is the new one that I just restarted, because I was like over $600 ahead of my last one, and I didn't close with all my contracts in time, and kind of messed up my progress. So I had to start all over with that one. But it is what it is. Sometimes things happen, right? Yeah, yesterday and today got choppy. It happened to me with leaving contract on after 5 p.m. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Hey, Water Buffalo, what's up? How's it going, man? How's it going? Hopefully, y'all doing good. But yeah, at least like I failed my first test, not because I didn't make enough like money, just because I ran into that being having a contract open till 2 o'clock, which is so close to getting out, just kind of a minute short shy of making it happen. Hey there, Sean Price. We're doing pretty good, pretty good. I mean, like I did a little bit to trading today, not much. A little bit on the profit, take profit trader, and this one here is like the progress of this today. So it looks like I head and shoulders. Maybe my portfolio might potentially dip because of the pattern. Hopefully not. I could reverse it. I can make it potentially go like crazy like that. Maybe. Hell yeah, got to hear that water buffalo. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Flipping awesome. Takes a mistake to know you will probably have better progress on this one. I'm rooting for you, brother. Thank you there, Lance Briefcase. Thanks, man. Damn the paper, right? The paper. I know, right? The flipping paper. Let's see. I'll feed the cyber puppy a little bit right now, and I'll throw the paper like I usually always do. And I'll see if I should feed that flipping cyber puppy some more. Let's see. I'm gonna throw it right now. Let's see. Should I flip and feed the Shiba Inu Cyber Puppy? Let's see what it says. Let's see what it flipping. Oh man, it wants the puppy to starve a little bit. It wants the Cyber Puppy to starve a little bit. It said no. Flipping, dipping said no like crazy hell. I don't know why. It just be being weird like crazy like that for no reason. So like no apparent reason. To them flipping innocent cyber puppies. What the hell is the paper thinking? You see CoreWeave this past week. I knew it would have a big year, but this was sooner than expected. Yeah, I think I looked at it, like it did go up quite a bit. Like I can't remember the percentage wise, but it did go up quite a bit. Just wanted to make sure you got my like for today. Hell yeah, thank you so much there, Sean Price, M1J. Thank you. You're awesome. All you guys are awesome. Thanks, man. Hell yeah. Let's see, XRP. I did start my Robinhood today. I will keep you posted. Hell yeah, wish you the best of luck there, Sean Price. Be careful and do your thing, you know. Hopefully make tons and tons of profit, you know. I really wish you lots of success and luck with that one. Hopefully you do super, super awesome with it. Let's see, XRP. Let's see, maybe add a couple of bucks to this one. Thank you there, Sean. Thanks, man. Let's see. I'm gonna toss the paper and see what the paper says about the XRP. Let's see. Should I buy some more XRP? Let's see what the paper says. Dude, that's a sideways yes. You know, it's like sideways, but I guess I'll call it a yes. I'll add a little bit more. I'll add a tiny bit more of the XRP crypto. Let's see. Even though you have a head start, I know just a tiny bit of a head start. I know, right? 50-50. I know, right? That's kind of what it is. Yep. Hell yeah. That's kind of funny. Okay, maybe I should add some of the crypto that maybe see if the ones I don't have, maybe try to add some of those. Let's see, crypto, tradable crypto. Let's see here. What should I do? What should I get? At least the one that I don't have, I'll try to get right now. Potentially add the one that I don't have. Let's see. I guess I have all of them. I guess I kind of have all of them. Get KTA. Yeah, the only problem is Robinhood still doesn't have that one. I would probably have to use Coinbase or something. Oh, which I have Coinbase, but I usually don't use Coinbase much. So I usually try to do most of the trading on Robinhood. So it looks like I don't have this one at the moment, the lighter LIT, the lit crypto. But yeah, if Robinhood would have it, I'll probably get it, you know. So I'll get a little bit of the lighter thing, not much, just the bare minimum for right now, and then I'll ask the paper if I should get some more of it just in case. You know what? Let's see. Should I get some crypto lit? Should I get some crypto lit? Let's see what it says. Okay, so I guess at the moment it says no, but at least I added to it. At least I kind of sort of flipping halfway added to it, so that's good. That's awesome. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, hopefully they'll have it. That'll be pretty cool. Try Kalshi. Yeah, I heard like quite a lot of good stuff about Kalshi. Maybe eventually I might try it. You know, meme linked. Oh yeah, it's kind of like meme linked. Yeah, I think so. But regardless, I kind of like some of these shit coins. If you play it right, you could still make some money with it. So I think they're kind of cool, kind of chill. You know, if you play it right, like I said, you could potentially do okay. I'm bummed my fucking dog is sick. Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that, Lance Briefcase. He's got some strange disorder that causes swelling. He's all fat and confused because he's always been tiny, crazy expensive vet bills with more incoming. Oh no, that sucks. I'm sorry to hear that, Lance Briefcase. Hopefully your dog like gets better. Go get some MK meme linked. Let's see MK. What is MK? It's not a meme coin. Oh, it's not a meme coin. I see. I see. So go get some MK. What is MK? So if Robin has the MK thing deal right here, looks like they don't have the MK. The straight MK. They got the MKSI, MKC, MKTX, MKL. You got a whole bunch of different ones, but not the MK thingy though. Huh. Kind of interesting. Let's see. Go back to the crypto. Tradable crypto. What's the next biggest? What's the next biggest? What they're rattling? The the S stock. Okay, so the last one that I searched just the S stock, right? Let's see. Yeah, I'm bummed. That's okay. So the S stock. What is the S stock? So if I click on S. Oh, so this one, the stock ETFs that just S Sentinel One. Oh, that's just a option deal. That's weird. Oh, not an option, but like something go straight to the. So it's 1392. What is this about Sentinel One? Sentinel One IT engages in the provision of endpoint security software that detects models and predicts threat behavior to block attacks on any computing device. Its services include vigilance, support, and training. The company was founded by Tomer Warrington and Almon Cohen in 2013. It's headquartered in Mountain View, California. The listed name for S is Sentinel INCs. That's the one, right? Okay, cool, cool. I mean, if it's in the security deal, it looks pretty decent, you know. Let's see what the chart today. It's down 1.30. 1 week it's up, down 9. 1 month it's up down 6. 3 months it's down 17. Year to date is down 7. 1 year it's down 36. 5 years is down 69. Maximum it's down. So I mean, like the trend for at the moment looks like it's kind of downtrending, but I don't know if that'll change or not. Like it could be because the department that it's in is pretty good right now. The security is highly needed in general, especially for the computers and all that software and stuff like that. 39 analyst ratings. So this one, 61.5% say buy, 35.9% hold, and 2.6% sell. So I'll probably buy a little bit just in case see what it does. I'll probably add it to my radar. Oops, add it to my first list. I'll just for the heck of it, just to kind of watch it. I'll add a little bit. I'll add $1, and then I'll throw the paper and see what the paper says. See if I should get some more of it. You know, kind of sort of halfway. See if I should get some more of it. Let's see. Should I get some more of the Sentinel One stock? Let's see what the paper says. Let's see what the paper thinks. See, another time it landed kind of sort of halfway sideways, but it's saying yes a little bit, so I guess it's a yes. Because of that, I might add another $1 to it, and then we'll see what it does. We'll see what it kind of sort of halfway does a little bit, you know, just kind of sort of halfway, just in case. You know, like if it's a yes, sort of halfway a little bit. Alrighty. Let's see. I have 1K. What should I buy? Oh, you have 1K. What should you buy? Like I don't know. Like you kind of see what kind of stocks I have, what kind of companies I'm in, but like to actually say or advise something to buy, sell, or hold, I can't do that because I'm not a licensed financial advisor. But like you see the stuff that I got like in my portfolio, but at the same time I'm sharing what I'm doing doesn't mean that you guys should have or do the same thing that I do, but like because I'm not a financial like advisor, like legally I can't give out financial advice. I could say my opinion and stuff like that, but not like financial advice. What's the best mate to try first? Let's see. There's one that's called Taragi or Taragui or Taragi mate. That's a good one. I think there's other ones. I can't remember the names from the top of my hand. Like all the packages are kind of gone. I have a little bit left that I'm using, but like Taragui is a good one. And then any type of yerba mate that like you just kind of open the packet and then put like a teaspoon or two in your cup and pour hot water. Add some sugar or honey, whatever you want, and just stir it up. And but Taragi is one of the brands I use, so that's a pretty good one. It's one of my favorite. But there's a whole bunch of them. Almost all of them are pretty decent. Like different like brands, like they have slightly different tastes, but they're all pretty much kind of similar. But one of my favorites is like the Targi brand. Let's see, by VRSN. I could check it out. Let's see what's the most popular brand. NQ has been tearing the life out of me yesterday and today. Gold was good today though. Oh, I see. Yeah, gold was pretty decent. Like I was able to with my new account, like that I refreshed or reset the account. Like I'm up today over there. It's like not much, $34 right there. It says that's the reset account because I like had an option open towards like the 2 o'clock, so I had to reset it and start all over. So from another 50K up like 30 some dollars, not much, but a little bit up is better than nothing, I guess. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully, I'll be able to pass that thing, that account. Um, Tilray brands. Also, VRSN, and then the Tilray brands. What do you think about this stock? I could check it out. Lance, why do you keep buying? Just go for easy, consistent money. All right, thanks. I ordered a cup and was trying to decide the best to try first. Oh yeah, hell yeah. Hopefully you like it there, Water Buffalo. I mean, I love it. It has some good nutritional stuff in it too. Like for me and in general, kind of healthy. So also it reduces the blood pressure. You know, like trading in the market kind of tenses you up a little bit, but like the yerba mate kind of reduces the high blood pressure. It kind of helps you chill down a little bit. You know. So that's like one things that I like about it, you know, for especially for trading, it's a secret that a lot of traders don't know. Oh shit, I shouldn't have spoke it out loud. Now all the traders gonna be drinking mate. Oh no, why did you just say that? Oh, should have the patent that secret from the traders, but it's too late. Oh man, but yeah, it is what it is. By VRSN. Let's see, VRSN. So I guess that's the one, right? Awesome. I know, right? I know, right? Why did I share my secret tip about trading that helps? A flipping mate drink helps you chill out and calm down and do the right moves, right? A little bit potentially. I mean, it helps me. Man, now everybody's gonna be now like the whole stock market might be popping like crazy because everybody's gonna be on mate like crazy, you know? Who knows, right? Oh man. It is what it is, right? Let's see. So very sign VRSN. So that one today's up 0.10% after hours. It's break even. Okay, 1 week it's up one and a half. Let's get away from. I know, right? It's funny. Yeah. Okay, so past month it's up 2.30%. 3 months is down 6. Year to date it's up 4. 1 year it's up 18. 5 years it's up 23. Maximum's up 52. So looks like a pretty decent stock. I want to see what it does. VeriSign INC engages in the provision of critical internet infrastructure and domain name registry service. It helps enable the security, stability, and resilience of the domain name system and the internet by providing root zone maintainer service. The company was founded by J.D. James Bidzos on April 12, 1995, and is headquartered in Reston, VA. The listed name for VRSN is VeriSign INC Common Stock. So it looks pretty decent. You know, it's got a dividend, which is a plus on top of it, you know, aside from it going up, you know, trending up. So the analyst ratings on this one is 43% buy, 57% hold, and 0% sell. So it looks kind of decent. So I'll probably put it on my watch list for sure. Security stocks and stuff like that, like it's pretty decent. And then, let's see, I'll probably buy a little bit, and then I'll throw the paper, kind of have it on the radar for now. I'll buy a little bit, and then I'll throw the paper and see what the paper decides, what the paper thinks about that one, you know. Let's see, should I buy some VRSN stock? Let's see what the paper says. Should I DCA into that one at the moment? Okay, so the paper says yes, so I could toss another dollar into that thing, you know. Just for now, just to kind of track it a little bit, you know, toss another dollar. Get a good little radar thingy going, you know, so that I could see what it does and see when I could add potentially to it, you know. not financial advice, but you know, a tiny little bit won't hurt, and I get to track it better like this, you know. Every day this week, Spy has donated 1,500. Oh wow, that's pretty awesome. So you made 1,500 with Spy. That's sick. That's awesome there, the Detroit Rovers. Hell yeah. But yeah, so I got that one a tiny bit. Let's see. Maybe I should check another one here. Maybe I'll go check the crypto thingy real quick. See, like I think I already got all of them. I think I got all of the ones that are on Robinhood, the ones that are tradable, you know. But like, what I'll do is probably I'll do the Spy is just super consistent all the time. Nothing too crazy. Oh yeah, Spy is pretty decent. Like if you could kind of figure out the pattern, you could quite easily make some money with it for sure. Got a little chopped up sometimes and blackout. Yeah, with the short term trading, it's not really like considered buying junk. It's just short term trading in general. It could kind of mess anybody up. It messes me up sometimes too. You know, like sometimes it happens. People have losses. Sometimes people have wins. You know, but yeah, definitely it's good to be careful. Okay, so I could check out the PBR and the EPD. Okay, I could check those out. At the moment, I'll probably see what other crypto to add. Since I have all of them on the list, I'll probably do like the like whatever like my hand picks by itself. I'll probably try to buy that one like any mini money mo catch a tiger by the toe if that tiger runs away. Any mini money mo. Okay, so it wants me to get this one here. Okay, XCN. So I did the any, mini, money, mo, and wants me to get that one. So I'll probably add, let's see, $5 of this one a little bit, you know, and then I'll throw the paper and see if the paper agrees with buying some of this one, you know. Let's see. Should I get some more of the XCN? Let's see what the paper says. Let's see what the paper says. Should I add the XCN? Alrighty, the paper says no, but too late. I've got some already and a tiny bit more in it. At least the paper said not to get any more of that one for right now, at least, you know? At least for right now. uh, let's see, PBR. Let's check out that PBR thing. Flipping PBR. Okay, I don't know what happened, but like the flipping like live stream just disappeared. I think some trolls are doing weird shit again. Blue ribbon. Did you guys experience a weird glitch or something like that? I think some like negative trolls and assholes are like trying to take the live stream down. Like they just glitched it out. I have to get back in. At least it's back up again. You know, it's kind of weird. But man, them flipping a-holes that are trying to mess it up. Yeah, the somebody's like messing with the live stream. That I think some trolls. Okay, let's see. Maybe I should check this one out. Let's see. So today it's up 0.71. 1 week it's up 7%. 1 month it's up 7. 3 months it's up 9%. Year to date it's up 7.77. Oh, cool, 7.77. It's a lucky number. Maybe it might kind of sort of halfway deal. Okay, you know. Past year -7. 5 years 11% up. Maximum 57% up. So it doesn't look too bad. No, it's not possible. Yeah, yeah, it is possible because I've had that happen before. Sometimes, like for no reason, people like would flag my live stream. Once, like I had to dispute with YouTube, and they resolved it. You know, to everything's good. But like, there's like weird, evil people out there that are doing like weird, negative stuff. I know for a fact that some of them are doing that. I try to avoid ADRS for my long term. They are okay to swing trade. Oh, I see. With I've never heard of that they would have to DDoSU. What's the DDoSU? Anything is possible. What's up? Hey there, Maslow. How's it going? How's it going? But yeah, because I did have that happen before, and I had to do a dispute. But like literally, I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just flipping live trading, and in my flipping comment in my description, it says not financial advice. They verbally say that. Like I don't know why some trolls are just being mean. uh, that looks half decent. I know, right? I think it does. So I already have it. See right here, I think I have it. Yeah. See, I got a little bit of it. It is up, and I am getting dividends from it. PBR dividend, PBR dividend, PBR dividend. So it's doing okay. They can't do it unless they have here IP. Oh, I see. I mean, like, there's a way that they're probably flagging it. There's a way to flag it to where it could mess with it and like short term glitch it out. Like in that, without the IP address, just just flagging in general. I haven't showed the IP address to anybody here. I did good on the subquery network today. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, there, Mikey mission. Hell yeah. It's an oil dividend stock going to rip. Nice. Well, I'll probably add a little bit to this one. Add a couple bucks to this one. It won't hurt. And then I'll ask the paper and see if the paper wants me to get some more of this. Let's see. Should I add to the Petrobras? Let's see what the paper thinks. Let's see. So the paper says at the moment no, but I did add a little bit to it, so that's cool. That's good. Let's see the next one here. It's an oil dividend. Okay, so which one is it here? Oh, oh, it's an oil dividend. I see. Let's see. I could check out the next one, the PBR and the ADR. Let's see, ADR. Let's see what that one's about. If Robin has it, ADR looks like they don't have it for some reason. Flipping name. What? No, it looks like they don't have it here. It is what it is. It is what it flipping is. It's kind of weird on my portfolio on the daily. Almost looks like a head and shoulders, like a shoulder, or like a weird awkward head and another shoulder, and potentially because of that pattern, it might go down. But like me seeing the potential future of it going down, I could reverse it and make it go up like crazy. I'll try to do that. Hopefully that works out. That's just the general portfolio pattern on the daily. Oh man, hopefully I'll be able to change that. It's kind of funny. It's an evil dividend stock going to rip. I know that's what it looks like. It looks pretty decent. Oh, so I did good on subquery network today. Oh, nice. That's awesome. Does Wake Robin had that one? I could check it out. Let's see, sub query. Let's see what it does. I don't see how it's spelled. Sub QUERY Q. Come on, QUERY. Looks like it doesn't have it here. Whatever that thing is here, looks like it's not here. Let's see here. Whole bunch of stocks are doing okay, kind of sort of halfway okay. I might add a little bit more to some cryptos here. Gotta find the cryptos I want to add to. Got one too many, but it's like, oh yeah, Solana. Solana's pretty decent. Looks like it went up quite a bit today. That's pretty neat. So whatever I had, it's still kind of down a little bit, but good opportunity for me to get a little bit more. Obviously not financial advice or anything. I'll add a little bit more of this one, and then I'll see what the paper says, if I should get some more of it, Let's see, should I get some more of the Solana? Let's see, should I get some more Solana crypto? Okay, at the moment, it says no. It is what it is. It is what it is. Check another one, maybe some of my other cyber critters, see if they need to be fed or something like that. The mule thingy potentially. Shame, 200% in 24 hours. Oh wow, that's crazy. Hopefully you made a lot of money on that one there, Mikey. That's insane. 200% in 24 hours. That's a lot. That's crazy. I did well on JFBR today. Oh nice, that's pretty cool. There, the real team array. I'll check that one out. Hell yeah. Okay, cat in the dog's world, cyber kitty in the cyber puppy world. Let's see, I'll probably toss them a bone, and then I'll see if the paper wants me to get some more of that. And then I'll check some of those out, the ones that you guys have. Let's see, should I buy some more of the Cyber Kitty and the Cyber Puppy World? Should I feed those cyber critters? Let's see what it says. So it says yes, so I might have to toss another couple bones to those thingies. Make sure they're kind of sort of halfway fed, well fed, and fed up like crazy, so that they're satisfied a little bit. Them cyber critters got to be taken care of a little bit. At least toss them a couple bones so they don't fight over one bone, so like two is better than nothing. So it is what it is. Hell yeah. Let's see how do you want. Yeah, you're welcome there. Let's see, the JFBR, right? I could check that one out. Let's see, JFBR, JFBR. Oops, JFBR. I see what that's about. So Jeff's Brands. I'm not sure if I ever heard about that one. So this stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. Huh, interesting. But yeah, Jeff's Brands like 131% today. It's up 131.16. That's crazy. And after hours, it obviously started going down because usually things don't go up forever, But yeah, it's up quite a bit. That's crazy. For the week, it's up 67. For the month, it's down 15. 3 months is down 70. Year to date, it's up 47. 1 year, it's up 97. 1 year is down 97. 5 years is down 99. Maximum down. But yeah, these stocks are crazy. Like, it's kind of risky. Like, you got to these penny stocks, you got to probably have some good information. And like, for me, like personally, I wouldn't trust like investing in these to the long term. Like, these are good for, like, in my opinion, not financial advice, just like scalping, day trading or whatnot. Like, but long term, in my opinion, they're kind of risky to trade. But if somebody could catch a good move on like the companies like this, it's pretty decent. Definitely pretty decent. I'm not sure what made it jump like crazy today. Hit the like button for next stream to spread help him out. Thank you there, Lance Briefcase, for helping out. Thanks, man. I'm not long-term investor in that. I'm day trader. Oh, okay, that makes sense. But yeah, that's cool. Like, that's awesome if you made money on this one. That you caught the move. That's pretty sweet. Oh yeah. I'll show. So this one's delisted. You guys are saying right now. Oh, news broke. I see. Yeah, it makes sense. So yeah, it's a good way to day trade stuff like that. Like, scalp day trade. To hear news about it, like, and then try to go for it. Make it happen. That's awesome. You guys are like skilled at catching some of these nice moves. That's awesome. Congrats, guys. That's pretty cool. Anything AI currently trending for day traders? New moves for this year? Oh, I see. Let's see here. But yeah, like to like, what do you call it? Scalp or day trade. If you could catch a move, for sure, that's worth it. But like, for long term, for me personally, that's kind of too risky. But yeah, I don't even know what that company's about. Jeff's Brands Ltd. operates as an e-commerce consumer products goods company. It operates as a holding company of three other e-commerce companies that operate online stores for the sale of various consumer products on the Amazon online marketplace, utilizing the Fulfillment by Amazon or FBA model. Smart Repair Pro, Purex Corp, Purex, and Top Rank Ltd. or Top Rank. The company was founded by Vicky Hackman on March 7, 2021, and is headquartered in Bnei Brak, Israel. The listed name for JFBR is Jeff's Brands Ltd. Ordinary shares. So it looks kind of decent, but like, yeah, definitely have to know some news to catch a decent move on that one. It's pretty nice, pretty decent. Oh, they're running already though. Oh wow, that's crazy. I love CRWV. Yeah, CRWV. I like that one for the long term future. CRWV. The core weave. Yeah, I like this one too for the long term future. Short term, it's pretty volatile. It goes crazy. Like, I got very minimal of that one. But I do like it for the long term. But it is pretty choppy. It's like the way it moves is super volatile. So you gotta be able to, manage the risk on that one when it dips. Because the dips are not fun, but when it goes up, it's kind of fun. But yeah, Let me see. I'll probably add $1 to this one. I know it's like very minimum, but I kind of like to DCA minimal amount, especially when it's kind of high up. And then I'll throw the paper and see what the paper thinks about it. Should I DCA into core weave some more? Let's see what it says. Let's see what flipping says. So at the moment it says no, maybe because it recently went up. What goes up must come down. Maybe that's what the paper thinks. I don't know. We'll see, I guess, right? We'll kind of sort of halfway see, but for the long term, I like this one. You know, not financial advice or anything, but I do like it kind of for the long term. Kind of sort of halfway decent. It's just been running wild all week. I wish I had some more under 90 again, and I'm doubling down. Oh, I see. I see. Makes sense. Yeah. Thoughts on bull? Let's see. On the bull thingy, let's check it out. Let's check it out. But yeah, I do like the core weave. So bull is the Weeble thingy. I kind of like it for the long term. I don't know. I think I have a little bit of it. Yeah, I got like $25 worth of it right now, but I do like it for the long term. Short term, I think in my opinion, not financial advice. In my opinion, I think it might chop around sideways for quite a long time, uh, within a certain range before it decides to trend up. Like, but for the super long term, I'm bullish on it. But like I said, in my opinion, not financial advice. I think it might chop around sideways for a while. Like maybe, in my opinion, like a year potentially or so, like ish. My opinion, not financial advice, but I don't know, like small little sideways chop. I think you might be doing that for a while. Drinking my tea, but for the long term, I think for the long term, like years from now, I think it's gonna try to copy Robinhood, where it's gonna try to eventually, trend up some more and have more clients and customers and stuff like that. But I do have a little bit of. I like it for a super long term, but short term, I don't want to add too much right now. But then sometimes it's hard to catch it when it does decide to go up. It's just been running wild all week. I wish I had some more 90. I know, right? For sure. Hey there, Barry Pulaski. No, the We Bear thingy. We Bear now. The you mean the Weber, right? Weber now, but at these prices, I agree. Long term, is going to go up. Oh, yeah, I see. So I think, did you misspell it there? It's not We Bear. It's Weber, right? They're eating the cats. I know, right? They're eating the cats. They're eating the dogs. So, like, was this one the one that you meant, or is like actually We Bear? Whatever the We Bear is, it looks like it doesn't have it on here. Hood is picking up continuously. Good longer term. Oh yeah, I'm very bullish on the Hood. I be trading in the Hood, so I'm bullish on Hood. Gotta protect your Hood. If you live in your neighborhood, for sure. Uh, no, the guy above me was calling Weeble. Calling Weeble Weebear. Oh, I see. I see. That's funny. It makes sense. That's kind of funny. But yeah, Robinhood in general, like it actually, I was trying to get into a leaps call on this one today. I was trying to get a better deal at it. Like I'm very bullish on Robinhood. In my opinion, for the long term, I think it's kind of at a discount right now, but I think it's gonna continue this uptrend like for the long term. Like I think Webull eventually it'll start doing that, but I think it'll take a while for that to start try to catch up. But Robinhood, it's growing fast. It's doing so much changes, adding so much things, adding so much clients pretty fast. Like I could see it growing like quite a bit. Like if it goes to like a slightly lower, even at this price, I want to get like a leaps call, for one that eventually goes back to where it used to be. That'll be some pretty decent profit, like ride the momentum up to like where it was 150s, on 40s over there somewhere. Yeah, I like bull for the super long term type deal. In my opinion, it's gonna go on a continuation. Oh yes, that's how I see it. There, the real Team Murray. Hood is on a dip right now, but still expensive. Yeah, it's kind of on a dip right now, Yeah, still kind of expensive, but like I think it's still worth the value, worth the price, in my opinion. Like Robinhood added a new crypto LIT. You might now have that one yet. Oh yeah, yeah. I think I just added it today. That's kind of funny. All I do is hold and wait. Oh, hold and wait. That's actually a good strategy. Hold and wait. And then if you can add some more on a good stock on a good company, that kind of makes sense. It's actually one of the safest ways to invest. If you buy and hold something that's worth it. It still hasn't met up with its growth upwards. Oh, I see. BANINTC thoughts on GEMI. Let's see. I'm on short term pullback. It will rise again to meet market value. I think so. I think it has some potential to pull back a little bit more, but in general, I think it's pretty good. But you're talking about the LIT, the lit. Yeah, I just got that one today, right here. I forgot to add it to my watch list, but I did just add it. See, right here, I got $4.44 worth of it. So yeah, I do have it on Robinhood right now. Let's see, cryptos to watch. But yeah, I like it. Maybe just for the heck of it, I might add a little bit more to it. Like maybe I'll throw another couple bucks to it. See what happens. Kind of sort of halfway, see what happens. Hey there, LJ, BJ, how's it going? Why Nintendo up 10% after hours? Nintendo up 10%? That's crazy. I have no idea why it did that. I don't know. Maybe they came out with something that some people know, and they invested in it or something. I have no idea. See the BA and INTC. Let's see. BA. Oh, so BA Boeing. So I don't have any Boeing at the moment. So that one doesn't have a dividend or anything, but in general, I think Boeing's pretty decent. But so for the maximum, it's up 462.73% and stuff like that. But like apart from like day trading and scalping or whatnot, like recently it went up quite a bit. Like me, I just personally invest into something else. I mean, this is not bad. Like if you click on a year, in 1 year, it's up 48%. Like generally, it's like the uptrending. Look at the maximum. It's up 462%. 5 years, it's up 21. So for the 5 years, 21% is not much, but for the 1 year, it did pretty good. So generally, as long as it's uptrending, like it's pretty decent. But me personally, I would invest into something that's better, in my opinion, for the long term. I'll just add this onto my watch list. But Boeing, it's not too bad of a company to invest in. Like I said, here's the analyst ratings for this one. So 81% buy, 16% hold, and 3% sell. But me personally, I'd rather invest into something else that potential faster growth and slightly safer, maybe safer, not that much, but just better deal, as an investment. And then the INTC. Let's see. GEMI stock. Can you look into that? Yeah, I could look at it after I look at this one right now. Lighter lit, not Litecoin. Oh, lighter lit. Oh, I see. Well, I'll check that one out in a second. Oh, that's not lit. Oops. Maybe I messed up a little bit. But yeah, I'll see. But Intel thingy. So Intel right now it's down today or 2%. After hours, it's up a little bit, 0.08. So for the past week, it's up 12%. 1 month, it's up 25%. 3 months, it's up 26%. Year to date, it's up 18%. 1 year, it's up 137. So 137 up on this one for the year. It's pretty good. It's pretty decent. But then 5 years, it's down 8.40, and then maximum, it's up 0.36. So looks kind of decent, but like if it's kind of moving like that, like for the long term, it's slightly up, but like if I would invest in this one or trade, I would more like try to day trader or scalper or whatnot. Let's see, 47 analyst rating, 17% buy, 70% hold, 13% sell. So like if I was to trade this one, I'd probably either scalp trade or day trade or whatnot, short term type deals, and maybe if or when possible, do like a cash secured put if it's worth it sometimes, and like a covered call if you have it, especially if the general trend is kind of sideways. But yeah, me generally, I'd rather invest into something else, but not financial advice though. That's just what I prefer to do. Let's see. So the LIT, so the lighter, right? Not Litecoin. Let's see. LIT. LIT. So lighter. Okay, so Litecoin I have. Lighter is the thing, is a different one. Oh yeah, I do. I bought $1 of it today. So I'll probably buy another one. So I do have the minimal. I saw it appear today, so I did add that. So I'll probably add another couple of dollars to that one. But yeah, I did add some to that. Okay. Let's see. All hype because of Trump. I know, right? Quite a bit of hype. That's funny. The into INTC too high allowed because of Trump needs a pullback. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Because didn't like the government like invest into the Intel thingy, the INTC recently. See, I'm thinking HUD will be a bit below 100 by next week. I'll probably throw a bit in it and wait for the pop. That's like a decent idea there, the real team. Where yeah, if it does reach like 100 even, I'll try to either get a call option or get a bigger amount in it, like because I'm bullish on it for the long term. You know, leaps for me might be kind of decent. Let's see, IBRX, IBRX. So immunity bio. So today it's up 39.79%. After hours, it's up 9.40%. Let's see, 1 week it's up 162. 1 month it's up 184. 3 months it's up 132. Year to date it's up 199. 1 year it's up 150. 5 years it's down 57. Maximum's down 83. So that's like one of the pharmaceutical ones, I think, about Immune Bio. Immune Bio INT is a clinical stage immunotherapy company. It develops next generation therapies that drive immunogenic mechanisms for defeating cancers and infectious diseases. The company's immunotherapy platform activates both the what we call it, innate and adaptive immune systems. So there's that kind of clinical stuff. So sometimes they could be pretty decent, but sometimes pretty risky. But like if something did go through, like trial wise or whatever, like maybe something did because it looks like it popped recently. But like it looks kind of decent. Obviously risky. Something like this, me personally, I wouldn't invest too much money because it's a risk. Something that doesn't go through, doesn't work out, it could keep on tanking. But something works, something goes through, it could pop. You know, like it kind of depends. But like something like this, I'd probably watch it. Maybe me personally, not financial advice. Maybe I'd add a little bit to it, not much. But I think because it went up recently so much, I think it's gonna go down. But I added a little bit, and then I could see. I'll throw the paper and see what the paper thinks. You know, and see is it worth it to get the immunity bio thing? Is it worth the DCA into the immunity bio stock? Let's see what it says at the moment. The paper says yes, but it's not financial advice though, you know. The flipping paper is not a financial advice. It's just kind of sort of halfway paper trading, you know, a little bit, you know, but not financial advice. I'm just kind of sort of halfway paper trading with real money, but not financial advice though. You know, it kind of sort of halfway is what it is. Kind of sort of halfway a little bit is what it is, you know. So I'll probably add another dollar, but I'll probably be safe if it dips like 50 or 60%. I'm not saying that it's going to dip that much, but if it does dip like 50 or 60 or maybe 99.9%, then I'll probably add a little bit and then like hopefully it might go up, you know? Who knows? That's heavily day traded stock. I day traded that like 3 times last year. Oh, for real? I see. It kind of makes sense. So for the long term, like I said, it's like pretty risky. Yeah, you day trade it. You see some volume, some news, some whatever. Just pump it up, and whoever catches the most profit out of the trade, you know, wins. I guess, right? But yeah, definitely risky for the long term, in my opinion. Uh, I never heard of this before. Oh, I see. There, they got a pipeline. Let's see. I will look at the what do you call it? Where is the GEMI? GEMI. Let's see what that one looks like. If Robinhood has it. So a Gemini dollar. I'm not sure if that's. Oh, this one. GEMI, Gemini Space Station. That might be kind of decent. So right now it's at $10.95. It's up today 4.54%. 1 week it's down 1%. 1 month it's down 8%. 3 months it's down 50%. Year to date it's up 8%. 1 year, I'm not sure when it was listed on September 12th, 2025. So obviously recently listed, but like if space is like a big thing, it might do okay if it's Gemini Space Station. Let's see what it's about. Let's see, I obviously don't have any of it right now. So the analyst ratings on this one is 60% buy, 40% hold, and 0% sell. But what it says about it here, Gemini is a regulated cryptocurrency exchange and a custodian bank that offers a secure, user-friendly platform for buying, selling, trading, and storing Bitcoin and dozens of other digital assets. The listed name for GEMI is Gemini Space Station. INC Class A common stock. That's funny. At first, I thought it was something like a space station or some weird thing like that, but it's like linked with the crypto stuff. It's kind of interesting. Kind of, sort of, halfway interesting. Yeah, I'm not sure. I have crypto like that I'm in independently. So like for somebody that's worth it, it's worth it. Me personally, I rather invest in something else. Especially seeing at the general trend. I mean, sometimes it goes down, sometimes eventually it starts going up, but this one's hard to tell what it's gonna do. For me personally, it's just kind of risky. I'd rather invest in other crypto ETFs, in my opinion, just for me personally. And if I could be directly straight in Bitcoin or in cryptos, for me that's kind of better because you're directly in them, not through an ETF. But I don't mind some ETFs, some crypto ETFs, but like personally, I'd rather not invest into this one. Not saying if it's gonna do good or bad or not. Not financial advice. Just me personally, I probably would like to be in straight cryptos, different ones, or different ETFs. Oh, Google is Gemini. I see. Ford just created a new higher low and is way back up now. That would be a good to throw a bit into for a bit till it creates the new higher high or break structure first. Oh, I see. I see. Thank you there, the real team. All right, thanks, man. No GEMI, Gemini crypto brokerage from Wink Bros. Oh, from Wink Bros. Hmm. For financial advice consult. Consult the paper. You're funny there, Barry. Barry Pulaski. What app is this? This is the Robinhood app. It's the Robinhood app. So let's see. No, GEMI is Gemini Crypto. Yeah, GEMI. That's the one that I just checked out. GEMI. So, oh, Gemini Dollar. Let's see. Gemini Space Station. That's the one I checked right now. I think that's all they have here for this. So it's either the Gemini Space Station, which kind of linked to the crypto, but and the Gemini Dollar GUSD, which I don't know what that is. It's not even tradable on here, but that's all Robinhood has on here for this. Oh, I could look at the FJet thingy, right? Let's see. Let's see what the FJet thingy looks like. Flipping FJet thingy. Oh man. FJet down 4.95% for the day. For the after hours, it's up 0.74. 1 week it's down 20. 1 month it's up 6. 3 months it's up 6. But it's recently listed. So let's see, listed on December 18, 2025. So it's recently listed. I see. So no dividend. There was no analyst ratings on this. I think I used to have it. Yeah, I used to have it. I saw some transaction they had. Starfighter Space Inc. is engaged in the research and development of space flight pilot training and aeronautics programs. It operates the commercial fleet Lockheed F-104. The company was founded by Rick Svetko on September 6, 2022 and is headquartered in Cape Canaveral, Florida. The listed name for FJet is Starfighter Space Inc. So this one kind of seems a little bit kind of sort of halfway decent. I might add it to my maybe one of my first lists here, and then I'll probably add a little bit to it. I'll add like $1 to this one, and then I'll throw the paper and see what the paper wants me to do. So if I should get some more or not, let's see. Let's see, I'll throw the paper and see. Should I get some more Starfighter Space? Let's see what the paper thinks about that one. Should I get some more Starfighter Space? At the moment, the paper says no, but I did add $1 to have it on my radar, to have it like closer on the watch list type deal. Just a tiny, tiny bit closer on the watch list, but we'll see what it does. I mean, it has potential. Everything's obviously a risk, and $1 in it for me. We'll see what it does. Tiny little radar thingy. Oh man. PL Planet Labs. Peek it. Oh, okay. Let's check it out. I'm just curious from a strategy standpoint. Is this your strategy? Couple dollars here, couple dollars there. Yes. Sometimes it is my strategy. Sometimes sometimes I gotta do that. It kind of works sometimes. And a little bit, I'd make a, what do you call it, radar type deal where I could track it better. And if I need to add to it, I'd add to it. And if I need to fully get rid of it later, I fully get rid of it. Like sell it. But yeah. I like my nice, nice. Hell yeah. So PL Planet Labs. Let's check it out. PL. Okay, Planet Labs. Let's check that out. So Planet Labs. So today it's up 1.73%. After hours, it's up 0.38. 1 week it's up 20. 1 month it's up 64. 3 months it's up 86. Year to date it's up 46. 1 year it's up 648. 5 years it's up 194. Maximum it's up 184. So generally it's uptrending, looks like. So looks pretty decent. I got a little bit, see, before I added $1 to it, and it dipped a little bit, so I do have that one. And then I could see the analyst ratings on this one is 73% buy, 27% hold, and 0% sell. Doesn't have a dividend or anything, so I got the minimal on that. I got the radar on this already. Let's see, Planet Labs PBC provides daily data and insights about Earth. It offers a web geo platform with satellite data available and foundational analytics. It derives insights to make decisions. The company is founded by William S. Marshall and Robert H. Schingler in 2010. It's headquartered in San Francisco, California. The listed name for PL is Planet Labs PBC. So looks pretty decent. I mean, as long as the general chart looks like trending up, looks pretty decent. But like, I'll probably later add a little bit more to it. But I got a little bit on the radar to see what it does. But for the long term, it looks kind of decent. Not financial advice or anything, but it looks pretty decent. I got a little bit in it. Gather Pipe Pfeiffer. Thanks for the gift there, Gather Pipe Pfeiffer. Thanks, man. Thank you for the gift. All the crypto except Bitcoin and ETH, it's a scam. It kind of depends. Like, in a way, it almost kind of seems like it is, but if you play it right, it's not. In my opinion, it's not a scam. But it kind of, for me personally, kind of seems like a scam. But like, I try to still play it to where I make money with the scammy coins or shit coins or whatever they call them. Like, it does look iffy, but I still kind of like him. I still play him. So I think regardless, like, you can potentially make money with like almost any type of like shit coin. It depends. At least the ones on the Robinhood so far, like, I'm not making a lot, but I'm making some money with those. But yeah. LTC tanked and it's killing me. Oh no, that's not good. Grayscale ETH ETF. I'm bullish on LITS. Oh, nice. That's pretty cool. Look at that one. The LITS, right? Or which one? The Grayscale. Let's see. If Robin has that one, let's see. Grayscale Ethereum staking mini ETF. Oh, the ETF, right? The Grayscale ETH ETF. Okay. So Grayscale Ethereum staking mini ETF. Grayscale Ethereum staking ETF. So I guess it's probably this one, the upper one, I'm guessing. So you like this one, right? That's the, let's see, trade. You could buy, just buy the whatever amount of it. So Grayscale Ethereum staking mini ETF. Let's see what it does. So that one, expense ratio 0.15. ETH is passively managed, offering exposure to the daily US dollar spot price of Ethereum, ETH. An investment in the fund is not a direct investment in Ether. The listed name for ETH is Grayscale Ethereum staking mini ETF shares. Okay, see, it's kind of like linked kind of to Ethereum or Ether, but like seems kind of decent. But like me personally, if I do Ether, I probably invest directly into Ether. I don't know, like I mean, it might do okay, you know. But like over here, if you look at the chart, the general chart, it's like doing like higher highs, but at least a couple of these things here. But I don't know, like me personally, I'd rather get the Ether directly, but this one could still be pretty decent. Like I'm not saying it's good or bad, but I'd rather be directly into Ether instead of this because I do have Ethereum, like crypto wise. So like you could still make money with this one potentially if you play it right, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but me personally, I'd rather be more straight into the Ethereum crypto itself. Drink some coffee, drink some tea here. Oh, let's see. I mean, it's useless except BTE. Yeah, kind of like that. So the Pally thingy, that's another one I could look. Now the one below it, the one below that one. The one below the ETH. Let's see. Let's see. Where's the one below the ETH? Grayscale. Oh, the grayscale. The ETH. I'm not sure which one. The one below the grayscale ETH. So I'm bullish on the LITS. I do have the LITS. I have a little bit of that one. Look at that one. Man, it's useless except yeah. So the PALI, right? Let's see, PALI. So Palisade Bio. Let's see what that's all about a little bit here. Okay, Palisade Bio. So let's see, I'll read about it. Palisade Bio Inc. is a biopharmaceutical company which engages in the development of oral therapies that help patients with acute and chronic gastritis, whatever the name is, complications stemming from post-operative digestive enzyme damage. Offers LB1148, an oral formulation of a broad-spectrum serine protease inhibitor designed to neutralize the activity of potent digestive proteases released. Whatever. So it looks like a clinical type deal. So I'm not sure. Let's look at the chart here. On the chart today, it's down 5.03%. After hours, it's up 1.63. So 1 week, it's down 10%. 1 month, it's down 2%. 3 months, is down 3%. Year to date, it's down 28%. 1 year is down 2%, 5 years it's down 99%. So look at the numbers. The numbers are pretty big. It's looks kind of weird. And then like maximum is down 100%. It's kind of crazy how it's like down 100%. It doesn't make sense. The number is like crazy. I don't know. Like this one kind of doesn't make much sense to me. Hard to understand like where it's down 100% and the number is like pretty big, down like yeah. So I don't know what. Like it could have potential or whatnot, but I don't know unless you have some insider information. So 6 analyst ratings, 100% buy. I don't know like why it's a 100% buy. Maybe the people themselves in the company rated it, you know. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know what to say. Like my opinion, like me personally, I wouldn't invest in this company. Seems kind of risky, but obviously not financial advice. If you know something good about it, it might be okay. Maybe I'll ask the paper and see what the paper says. See what the paper says, right? I'll ask the paper. Let's see, is it worth it to buy Palisade Bio, or even get the minimal of it. Let's see, is it worth it to get even the minimal of the Palisade Bio? Let's see what the paper says. See what the paper says. See what the paper thinks. For some reason, paper likes them weird stocks. It said yes. I don't know why. I don't know flipping why, but the paper says yes. What in the flipping hell there, paper? Man, it's like it's so weird. Paper likes them weird stocks a little bit, right? Not financial advice, but flipping a paper likes them flipping weird stocks. The one that looks iffy. So I guess I could get the minimal of this thing if the paper said I could, and then I could see what it does, you know. Kind of sort of halfway see what it does at least, you know. It makes sense that how the coin founder made a lot of money. Oh, for real? How the coin founder made a lot of money? That's funny. Are you inviting by paper drop? OMG. Well, I guess sometimes like the paper sometimes makes the final decision and see how things do, right? Flipping paper trading with real money. Kind of makes it more fun a little bit, you know, sort of halfway more fun. How can you short on Robinhood? Mine doesn't have the feature. How do I turn it on? Oh, shorting on Robinhood. I think Robinhood allows that, but like some stocks it allows. Let's see. So for example, some stocks it allows you to short. Some stocks it doesn't. Like let me see stocks that if it's a random stock that you don't have, I think. Let's see what kind of random stock that I don't have. I could look at. Let's see. I'll just click on something random. I don't think I have Boeing. Let me see. I'll check out Boeing, for example. Trade. See right here, like so. Not all stocks are shortable. Like here, Boeing, it lets you like so. If I click on the buy, so trade, like on Boeing, for example, I click on the trade. Oh, there it says buy, short, or you could trade options. So shorting is new. Robinhood just recently added that. But I didn't have to apply for it or anything. It just showed up. It appeared, and like I have it. I could use it. But like to short it, like you have to do it when markets open. Like when markets close, they won't allow you. Like right now, I'll click on short. See, it doesn't allow you. Only when markets open, it'll allow you to short. So it says short selling isn't available. Short selling begins 7 a.m. Eastern time on trading days. Short selling isn't available overnight, weekends, and when the market is closed. So obviously, right now it's closed for shorting because trading in general for the stocks. But in general, like when markets open, it's just a basic normal trading. So some stocks they let you short, some stocks they don't have the option. So it kind of depends on what company, what stock it is. Uh, you know, whichever one Robinhood allows you to short or not type deal. That's weird that it doesn't have it at all. That's like way weird. I would have shorted Vero today. Oh, the Vero thingy, huh? Let me see, like if Robinhood would allow me to do that. So Venus concept. So this stock has recently experienced elevated volatility. So let's see. Yeah, if you shorted it today, that could have been nice because look at that downtrend for the day. Yeah, over here, see when I click on trade, I got the option to short it and to buy it. So see, like it doesn't have the option to play options because different stocks and companies are different. So this one doesn't have options, but it does have the option to short or buy, you know, go long or short. So, but regardless, some companies they allow you to do that, some companies they don't. But I don't know why they don't allow you to do that. No, I would have waited. Oh, I see. LMAO, it topped out. I know, right? It topped out right over there, right? At like what was it? 1293 from 1293 to where it's at to 565. That if you shorted it from there to whatever down below would have been a good short. Pull back to 6. Wow, that's crazy. Barry, don't judge any trader just because you don't do their same method. We all trade, whether we are day trader, swing trader, or long term trader. Let's see. Most platform you need a margin account to short. Oh yeah, that could be the reason why. Because like right now, I am on the margin account. Like if you're on the cash account, I think what do you call it? T Guns has a point there. I think you need to be on a margin account to be able to short, because the account that I'm in a margin account. So for example, uh I'm not really tapped into margin, but it's a margin account in general. So I could go there, I could open up my right here borrowing limit. Like if you're in a margin account, you could change the settings. Like right here, I could remove the borrowing limit, and I could borrow from the brokerage. I could use their margin. But thing is, I don't have to use their margin. But regardless, because I'm in a margin account, whether I'm using margin or not, whether I'm tapped into margin or not, I could still like short with it. So that's the thing that I could do. So right now, like obviously, you open up the margin buying power, so the amount is way higher. The amount's quite a bit higher. But obviously, right now, I don't want to play with margin buying power. So I'll just this was just an example. So I'll just put it back to $1 borrowing limit because I don't want to borrow from them right now. But yeah, it's kind of sort of halfway how it works. I have margin account and have way over 25K. Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why they wouldn't allow you to. There could be like a place where you might have to apply or something. But the weird thing about mine is like I didn't have to apply or do any of that. Like I just randomly it just appeared from me and gave me the option to short. It's kind of weird. I don't know, like a whole bunch of new stuff they're adding that's just popping up and I'm using it. Like it's kind of weird. Check your settings, buddy. You can turn on your borrowing power on and off. Yes, you could turn it on and off for sure. That's like right now, like I showed, like I could use it or not use it or whatnot. Stop using margin, they will liquidate you. Yeah, it's super extremely risky to use margin, in my opinion. Use margin to short or trade. You just have to be on a PDT rule. Borrowing money from any platform to trade is not a great idea. Yeah, I agree with T Guns. It's very risky, extremely risky. I asked customer service. He said it's rolled out and will be available soon. Oh, that's weird. That's hella weird. Maybe because Robinhood knows that I'm live streaming, they like made mine available so other people that see my live streams, they could see that the option is there. But like not all people are not to all people yet. But like since they probably use my free advertising on like the live streams, they're like might as well like make mines available or something. I'm PDT and I don't use margin. Oh, I see. I see. I don't mind shorting. Yeah, shorting is pretty decent sometimes, especially if you know what you're doing, it's pretty decent. Just be safe about it. If you have options trade, you can short with cash account and call and buy calls versus the short. Oh yes, you could. I mean, with a normal account, you could use options to short, like buying puts or whatnot. But yeah, yeah. So the user base, not all users are available yet. Yeah, that's very weird that it's not available for everyone yet. That's very weird. Don't use margin unless you are a genius. Oh, definitely. That's a good tip there, Gambler 420. Sometimes I use margin. Like the way I use margin is super risky because like I use margin on Webull when I started trading. Like I had a $25,000 personal loan I took out like to start trading, and then on top of that I use Webull margin like the 3x leverage. Sometimes they let you use. So like I fully like pretty much like played with 99.9% of borrowed money. Like I did have a little bit of my own, like a couple of grand or whatnot, like not much, but most of it was like 25K personal loan and then like margin sometimes that I use on Webull. So it was pretty risky like almost a couple of years ago when I started trading, almost like 99.9% borrowed money, and I ended up being profitable paying off a loan. And right now I'm playing with my own money instead of borrowed money or margin. But it was crazy for a rookie, for a newbie, to learn how to trade with like 99.9% borrowed money, personal loan plus margin. But I made it out alive. I had a little bit, so that's good. It was crazy though, very crazy. Let's see, which one should I check here? Maybe the QQQI. But yeah, like it's very risky though. Colors the margin. Usually option gets exercised during liquidation. I just joined in and I just want to know, did you went over how to trade options and how to use it? Uh, how to trade options, it's like there's a lot of information involved in that one. It's a lot to learn. I could understand an option seller using margin for selling puts, sketch it to buy shares or options on the margin though. Yeah, like especially buying puts or calls, yeah, it's very risky for margin trading. But yeah, if you use it right, you could, it's leverage, like you could make it work towards your favor if you play it smart. Example, I have bull margin went against me. I sold 12.5 covered calls to cover the margin. They paid me money for the covered calls and it covers the margin. Never trade on borrowed money. I know it's very risky to to trade on borrowed money for sure. I sold covered puts too by DOT use margin for options. That's crazy. I'll flip in the ring thingy. That's crazy risky selling options as a covered calls. Oh, I think it is very risky too. Did you see IBRX today? I gotta check it out. I think I checked it, but I gotta check it again. Covered puts don't exist though. Let's see what's happening, Nico. Hey there, Gucci the Bulldog. Not much, not much. Just trading away on here. Just trading away. IBRX. Let's see. I guess I could check out the IBRX. Oops. IBRX. Let's see. How you doing there, Gucci the Bulldog? How you doing, man? You you use your money or the margin as collateral for selling covered puts. Yeah, selling like cash secured puts. Uh, or you mean like kind of like the poor man's covered call? Is that what you mean? But like a put instead, where you buy a leaps put and sell puts against it. Cash secured puts is the kind that you need enough money collateral, whether it's your cash or margin, to cover that. Yeah, I assumed as much. Yeah, like I was, yeah, guessing if you're doing that, like cash secured puts, maybe, I don't know. It's kind of interesting. No, no cash secured puts. I have Webull 7.5 cash secured puts. Oh, Webull 7.5 cash secured puts. Oh, okay, I see, I see. I'm great. Did you see what AMPX did today? So I could check it out right now. But this one, yeah, the IBRX, that thing went up quite a bit today. Like it's pretty nice. I don't have any of it right now. Looks like. Oh, I got a couple of orders queued in to get that one. But like, yeah, it went up quite a bit. That's crazy. 39.79% today, 9.40% after hours. That's flipping crazy. Went up a lot. Yes, cash or margin. Yep. I'm good. Did you see the AMPX? Let's check out the AMPX. Let's see what AMPX looks like. Amprius Technology. So this one too went up quite a bit, 8.3% today and 0.07 after hours. So this one like popped too quite a bit. So I got a little bit of that one, not much though, but yeah, it's kind of interesting. So the 7 analyst ratings on this one is 100% buy, 0% sell, 0% hold. So the ratings are pretty decent. But yeah, it did go up quite a bit. It's kind of crazy. Kind of sort of halfway crazy. Well, whoever's in it, hopefully it goes up a lot more for them. I never hold the cash secured puts. I cover once I make gains. Oh, nice. Should look into it more even for a long-term hold. Potentially a lot of good things going on with them. Currently going to be looking to cash out short-term and buy back in long-term at some point. Oh, I see. That makes sense. I have March 20th, 7.5 cash. Secured puts 460 each contract. Oh, I see. 7.50 put should be safe, right? I usually go 50, 60 days out, around 65% chance of profit. I'm not sure if it's safe or not, like it always depends, like, but hopefully that works out, I really do that whole works out, like, but I don't follow the Webull app, I mean, the Webull company too close, but hopefully it works out. Can you check Tilray brands? Yeah, I could check it out. Don't try to make easy money. Build your portfolio slow and secure. When the account big enough, you can live just from things like option selling with low risk. Yeah, that's a pretty decent tip there, uh, Tiber Linus. If it loses half the premium, I cover and buy it back. That makes sense. But yeah, like definitely like investing long term, not doing the short term trades like what we're doing. Definitely, it's safer for the long term. You know, but sometimes like if you want to risk your own money, it's a way higher risk. You could potentially make money faster with short term trading, but then at the same time you could lose it all easier and faster. So yeah, it depends if you want to take the risky route or not. But the safe route, where it's like most likely guaranteed potentially to make money, is the long term investments. Keep on adding weekly or bi-weekly, monthly, whatever, pretty decent amounts, and compounding and letting that grow. So yeah, definitely the long term is safer. Definitely. Do you, do you ever use margin? Do I ever use margin? I used to use it before at some point. I use it if I have to, rarely. Right now, like I'm in a margin account, but like I'm not tapped into it. Like I'm using cash at the moment. But if I have to, I use it, but I try not to as much as possible. So like like in my like answer, like I rarely use it. Send me the prop firm. Okay, I'll try to do that. Hey Maslow, if you have my email, send me a message, and I'll try to send that link to you. Because at one point, like I had to like delete all my emails because my email box was full. If you could send me an email asking for the link, and I'll send that to you. Then you could try it out. But yeah, there, Maslow, you got my email. Send me the email, and I'll send you the link. Connect with on the same. With the right edge risk, F all of them call puts. Okay, awesome. Sounds good. Thank you there, Maslow. Let me do it now. Okay, you could do it now, and then when I get a chance, I still have to get the link from the prop firm. So it might take a while. Maybe after the live stream sometime, I could send it to you. And then like once it's ready, I'll let you know that it's there. But I'll try to create the link for the prop firm so you could use it. Buy that shares and hold that share. I know, buy the shares and hold that share. I know, like the safe way of trading for sure. I enjoy doing short term and hope I can catch when the economy flips to stay out. Then DJT, selling puts and calls, not trading regular options and Gucci. Let's see. Let's check out the DJT. So this one, it's up 1.76% today. After hours, it's down 0.07, so not much. So past week, like it's like on a general downtrend at the moment, looks like. So past month, it was up quite a bit, 28.61%. 3 months, it's down 14%. Year to date, it's up 1%. 1 year, it's down 67%. 5 years, obviously, it's not around for like listed on this one for 5 years, but 13.19% 5 year area. Listed on September 30, 2021. So yeah, maximum it's down 13.19%. Like Trump, but not DJT. Not the DJT. That's funny. Like this one, like with this one, how I like to trade it, like I don't like it for the long term. I usually short term. I either buy a put or buy a call, and I scalp and day trade like the short term moves on this one. Like when I do decide to trade it, sometimes I trade it, but just short term trades. Whether I, you know, buy a put or buy a call or whatnot, whatever I see happening with it. Depends on how much shares you have. Either a pin or buyer guy. Depends on how much shares you have. It's definitely going bankrupt. Potentially, right? Why people are trading, I have no idea. Selling puts and calls and cashing pennies. Been there and done that. I sold 307 covered calls. Oh, 307 covered calls. Oh wow, that's crazy. It pays. Uh, maybe the covered calls on this one might work, huh? It's not letting me. Weird. It's not letting you send an email to me there, Maslow. Put the name here for prop firm. Oh, for the prop firm. Okay, I'll put the name. I'll put the name in right now. Okay, hold on just a second. A super goal. Trying to give. Oh no, I'm not doing that. If I could figure it out, let's see. Like sometimes it doesn't give me the option to do that, but I'll see if it gives me the option to do that. Message. I'll try to figure out like community. Yeah, it's not giving me the option to put the text or anything on the screen. It's weird. I don't know why or how, but uh, I'll try to see if I could find you because I deleted all my flipping email messages. Oh, the name of the platform is Take Profit Trader. That's the one I'm using. Take Profit Trader. You know, I could write it down and show you on the paper here. Let's see. Right here, I'll write it down and I'll show you the one I'm using. Take Profit Trader. Yeah, I use it with Trade08. So this is the one that I use. It's Take Profit Trader with Trade08. That's the one I use there, Maslow. If you need it, that's the prop firm I'm in. So if you use that prop firm, I'm not sure where you're at if it'll let you. You gotta follow the rules, you know. And if you pass their test, you could start collecting money. So Take Profit Trader is the one that I'm using. I don't have any links or any of that stuff to it yet, like to share a link. But later I could add the links to my description or whatnot. Like hopefully that's enough information for you. So Take Profit Trader, and I trade it on Trade08 with that thing. Trade08 with a V. This one here. Let's see. Let's see. This one here. It's a V. This one right here. That's a V. See, Trade VATE. Trade08. So it's Take Profit Trader, but you use Trade08. You link it with Trade08, and that's how I trade it with the Trade08. Yes, the Trade08. I'm willing to get called out at 12.5 on bull. I have a dollar average. I'll eat the premium and share different. Oh, nice. That's pretty awesome there. Yes, you're welcome. Hopefully that information helps you there, Maslow. I buy IP companies, long term, hold and sell at 150% profits, take gain and rebuy. Oh, nice. That's pretty smart there, Gucci the Bulldog. Get small companies, then like wait for them to go crazy high up in percent. That's pretty smart. Hell yeah, but something like this, I'd probably just for the most part short term